So in this video we'll be dealing with error code 50 on a Dimplex Quantum. This one's a QM70RF. The storage heater is fitted with open window technology, so it goes into lockdown when it senses an open window. So this storage heater has an error code 50 and it's flashing red saying that an open window is detected. And please press the enter button for 10 seconds. As you shut the door or shut the window, and then you press this button here and hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there we go. We've reset it now. And it's set to 23 degrees. 23 degrees and the heating is on, set to home all day. All right?
Yes.
The storage heater is fitted with a sensor, and it knows how long it takes, how much hot air it takes to blow out to heat up the space. So when it senses a door open, what it's doing is it knows that it takes X amount of warm air to come out to heat up the space by a certain amount of degrees. So if the space doesn't heat up by that amount, it knows the door or window's open, and then it goes into error 50. So like I said before, just press and hold the circle button down, which is the enter button, for 10 seconds, and that takes it off error code 50. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.